Hello, welcome to the Expert 360. Please endeavor to subscribe and turn on the notification bar for more creative content.
Hello, welcome to the Expert 360. In this model, we'll be learning what graphic design is. The question we should have in mind is, what is graphics design? There's basically no specific definition as to what graphic design is. Before we'll be able to understand what graphic design is, we must first understand what graphics is on one hand and what design is on the other hand, as they are a combination of two words. What is graphics? According to Wikipedia, it came from the Greek word graphikos, which means belonging to drawing. They are visual images or designs on some surface such as canvas, screen, paper, or stone to inform, illustrate, or entertain. In contemporary usage, it includes a pictorial representation of data, as in manufacturing, in typesetting, and the graphics arts, and in educational and recreational software, including images that are generated by a computer, which are known as computer graphics. What is design? A design is a plan or specification for the construction of an object or system, or for the implementation of an activity or process, or the result of the plan or specification in the form of a prototype, product, or process. The verb to design expresses the process of developing a design. In some cases, the direct construction of an object without an explicit prior plan, such as craftwork or some engineering coding and graphics design, may also be considered to be a design activity. The design usually has to satisfy certain goals and constraints, may take into account artistic, functional, and economical or socio-political consideration, and is expected to interact with a certain environment. Major examples of design include architectural blueprints, engineering drawing, business processes, circuit diagram, and sewing pattern. Now, it will be okay for us to say graphics design is a process of representation of ideas on a two-dimensional surface to communicate to the audience in a visual way. This visual way can be on 3D or any form. Thank you for this class. Please endeavor to subscribe to the channel. Bye.